Okay, are you ready?
Nope. It's not like it used to be.
It's definitely not changed. Hello and welcome back to whatever it is I do here. We have a very special guest here today. So this is Cher,
If I could turn back time.
aka your local MILF.
Stop. You're bad.
So as from the title of the video, you know that we're not really teaching her or reteaching her how to drive stick shift. Are you gonna talk? Her experience with driving stick. Let's see, didn't you kill it in like the middle of an intersection once? In a truck?
30 years ago.
So when was the last time you drove stick?
Your car.
It was in the park, but it was like 2 feet.
What?
And then we switched
Next
back.
to the parking lot.
Alright, so I'm so excited!
And
Yep, so she's got the clutch in. Alright, she's got first. Alright, so
And then
okay.
so I go back down and then go in a second.
Just try to avoid these potholes, please.
We're not gonna go fast enough to even put it in.
Let's go in front of the building.
Too many holes over there.
There's glass.
Jesus. We picked a great area.
People come back here to party. What the hell are all these people doing back here? Like,
Yeah, like you're not supposed to be here, mother truckers.
that person's wearing a witch hat. We love that.
It's festive.
Alright.
Yes.
Ease off. Okay, that was good.
When do you get up to third?
Or I guess more
Can I go
speed.
back up? No.
Okay, so if you wiggle it back and forth, you know, you're in neutral. Are you nervous?
No, but it doesn't give me enough room to get up to speed.
Oh, nope, you're in second. You're in second. You're in second. It's okay. Push it in. Find neutral. Start button is where Volkswagen. I shot you where the Volkswagen one is. Yeah. You want a piece of beef jerky?
No, thank you.
Okay.
I want to get up to, where else can we go?
I was thinking about going to the park, but it's so nice out today. I feel like people are gonna be dicking around there. But then
No.
it would be a good like stop and go type thing. Like get up to speed on back roads.
It's not like the,
Oh, yeah.
The Mazda.
Neutral.
it's not like the Mazda.
Exit first.
Fuck.
Okay.
No, it's not.
What?
Fuckers. Just
Let it out. The people want to hear how you really feel. Don't think about
why
it too
is it
much.
so sensitive?
More gas, more gas, more gas, more gas.
More gas, there's holes.
Really get going, you're gonna keep chugging like that. Hold on, clutch in, clutch in, clutch in, clutch in. Okay, start it. Hold on, keep your clutch in. Alright, so you're still in first. Ease off the clutch. You don't even have to touch the gas. Wait, you'll start to move already. So you're moving. So then gas, 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 gas.
I hit the gas. I'm worried about these damn holes in front of me.
Into first. That's third. Over and up. Yep, that's
It
first.
is.
Well, you had it in third first.
Oh, please.
There you go. There you go. Watch out for the curb. Don't hit my curb. Don't hit the curb. Even though these wheels are fucking trash anyways. Alright, good. Alright, off the accelerator, clutch in, down to second, ease off the clutch. Ease on. So, you transition so good.
I can't go that fast to third though.
You can still go into third. Yeah, it's gonna be a little boggy, but you got it. Now shift down in second, brake, and then veer right. Oh yeah, look at you.
And stay in second like that.
Yeah, you can just cruise in second. Alright, clutch in all the way, you got it?
I'm good.
Okay. And then first. It's just really, you don't need to like, she's like Fast and Furious banging gears. Look at her go! Oh, yeah! Oh my god! You're better than me.
We're gonna hit the potholes.
Nope. What? Okay, so we're gonna go to a different area and we're gonna have her downshift and act like Paul Walker in Fast and Furious. Isn't she so cute? Be yourself. If people are, see she's nervous, can you guys just comment and like reassure her?
You talk with your mouth full.
I am who I am. That's who I accept.
What did your mother teach you?
Not anything, apparently.
Bertha and Ethel need to hurry it up.
Dude, they're walking right in front of us.
I know, right?
Maybe you should start driving at them.
No.
And like, they'll be like, oh, why are they here? Like, why are they literally walking right at my car?
They do that here. They walk in the middle of the road.
No.
See, Ethel's the one on the right. See the teeth? That's not nice.
That's definitely a Marge on the left. You just said.
Okay, it's
though.
Marge and Ethel.
So just breathe.
It's in, right?
Yep. That's what she said. Just take your time. All right. Gas, 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 gas.
I did.
Clutching, 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 clutching. Anytime you're freaking doing that, clutching. Okay. Alright, as soon as you get going, get going. Alright, gas, 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 gas. Okay,
did
okay,
it.
clutching, clutching.
Why is it not doing it now? I had no problem before.
Oh my god, I think you're in third gear.
I didn't hit it. Hi, Grandpa. Do you need to fix it?
What is this? Yeah, it says third right there. That's why you kept going. Yeah, so you see, you're actually
Okay,
the gear
I'm
you
gonna
can.
stop over here.
It's okay. Just keep going. Just keep going.
No, there's-
You got it. You're cruising. Just go through them, and then if you see someone or someone comes out, just press in the clutch and hold the brake. You will not kill it as long as the clutch is in.
I didn't even touch it. You put it in third.
That's no, I didn't.
Yes, I wasn't touching that.
Let's replay. Bye. All right. So that's good though. You started going in third. That's
What?
impressive. That's impressive. No.
Yeah?
Clutch in.
No, there's cars coming. First?
Yep. First.
Is it first?
So it's better than being in third. All right. Now clutch in. Down to second. There you go.
Damn stop
Coming
sign.
up to a stop sign. Clutch in and neutral. Good. Now go on.
Oh my
go on to
god,
first.
just too many f***ing cars.
It's okay, just go on to first. Make sure you're in first. Keep the clutch in.
Is it first?
Clutch in all the way.
It is.
Okay.
Okay. Can I?
Yeah, just go. Okay.
Motherfucker.
All right, go. Keep going. You got it. Yeah, right in a second. Yeah, you got it.
I got her.
E-brake.
Ain't my first rodeo.
Okay. So, how do you think you did?
Meh.
It's the other people on the road. If there's no one around,
Parking
you'd
lot
be
was
like,
fine.
Parking lot was fine, except when we kept trying to go in a third and take off. Apparently it was my fault. Okay, we're gonna work on your skills. We didn't get to downshifting, which is fine. And that's all for the day. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. All the stuff with the things and the stuff meme of the week is gonna be right here. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Ready? 1, 2, 3, say bye.
Bye.
1, 2, 3, bye.